Hello folks, it's Derek again with the OTC here on the Cheap channel, and today I'll show you kind of an easier, slightly less messy and gassy etc. way to saw up your slabs for your kindling. Ready? Nothing exciting, but here we go. Old MiterSaw, good for more than just trim. Avoids all the weird edges, which makes it almost impossible to split a kindling. For demonstration purposes, we're just doing one at a time here, but you can do multiples, especially the thinner ones. You can do 3, 4, or 5 at once, and you're just using a little power instead of gas in your chainsaw and the racket that goes with it and the attention of the neighbors and stuff. So this way is just cheap and easy, just another use for your miter saw. Anyway, this method works great. You get a little dust bag here, which I guess is full, but you can contain the mess, and it's just all around better than screwing with a chainsaw, because a lot of us have had enough of playing with it. Anyway, this is Derek again with the OTC on the Cheap channel, DIY, doing more with less. Just showing you a way to maybe a shortcut working on firewood. This is only slabs for kindling for starting fires, just so everyone knows. You can cut up boards like old 2x4 or 2x6s, planks, especially if you have one of the fancy sliding ones. But I even do a lot of my smaller limbs and stuff this way, up to like 4 inches around for stove wood and stuff. Works great. Anyway, till next time, see you folks.